In this video, you'll learn how to get a refund from Myheritage in just a few minutes so you can recover your money quickly and easily without any stress. First, open your browser and go to myheritage.com. Sign in to your account using the email and password you used to sign up for the subscription or service you want to request a refund for. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select My Purchases or Billing. This is where you'll find all your recent transactions, subscriptions, and orders linked to your Myheritage account. Now, find the purchase you want refunded. Note that Myheritage offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on most subscriptions, so make sure your refund request is within that time frame to qualify. After that, contact Myheritage support directly. Go to the Help section, click Contact Us, and choose Billing and Refunds. Fill in the form with your order details and a clear reason for requesting your refund. Once your request is submitted, Myheritage will review it and respond by email, usually within a few business days. If approved, the refund will be processed back to your original payment method automatically. And that's it. You now know how to get a refund from Myheritage and resolve any billing issues with confidence.